Create a Facebook page. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to create a Facebook page. If you plan to monetize a page, create it before having content. Even if you quickly add monetized content, the page needs to be 30 days old. In this video, I'll quickly show how to create one. Like these kinds of videos, there are other related videos on this channel. Subscribe, like I'm always making videos to help you guys. Alright folks, let's get started. I'm logged into Facebook on my computer. Go to the side menu and scroll down. You'll see an option called Pages with an orange flag. Click on it. Here, enter the page name and category. Both are required. Leonardo Paiva for the name and Digital Content Creator for the category. You can choose multiple categories for your page, not just one. The bio is optional. Add it if you want. Then click Create Page at the bottom. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.